We're all here because we're committed to the biggest question of all. What's out there?
Starfield is the first new universe in over 25 years from Bethesda Game Studios, the award-winning creators behind some of the most successful games we have seen to date, including the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Edition and Fallout 4. In this next-generation role-playing game set amongst the stars, you can create any character you want while working towards different traits as you progress and explore with unparalleled freedom as you embark on an epic journey to answer one of humanity's greatest mysteries. So it goes without saying, Starfield is way more than just another game, and it's definitely more than just selling game discs. First of all, if you are a Game Pass subscriber, you will get access to the game on day one. Huge tick for Game Pass. You can pick up the Standard Edition, or again, if you are a Game Pass subscriber or have already purchased the Standard Edition, you can go for the digital premium upgrade, which includes a bunch of cool extras like the Shattered Space, First Story expansion, Constellation skin pack, and up to 5 days of early access. Or, if you really want to get into the thick of it, you can go all out with the Starfield Constellation Edition, which includes a custom Starfield Chronomark watch and matching watch case. We are at a content release crossroads where titles like Starfield and the upcoming Forza Motorsport are next-gen exclusive. And these are really the first big AAA titles that this applies to. And because there are still hundreds of thousands of people right here in Australia who are still gaming on previous gen consoles like the Xbox One S, you have a definitive upgrade opportunity where you can introduce these customers to the world of next-gen console gaming with faster load times, higher frame rates, next-gen exclusives, and with features like Smart Delivery and Quick Resume, all on the Xbox Series X and Series S, ready for next-gen gaming. Speaking of Series S, other than being the best next-gen gaming powerhouse console to fit inside of a handbag since ever, one of the most common pieces of feedback we received was the ask for more storage. And the team at Xbox took that feedback on board, so coming soon, we'll have a new addition to the Xbox console family. Because of our commitment to bringing Xbox Game Studios titles like Forza Motorsport, like Starfield, to Game Pass on day one, there's never been a better time to be a Game Pass subscriber. And there's a Game Pass option for everyone, with console Game Pass, PC Game Pass Ultimate, and now we have a new addition to the Game Pass lineup with Game Pass Core. As I'm sure you've already heard, we are updating Xbox Live Gold, and its new name is Game Pass Core. So what does that mean? If I have Gold, do I need to change anything? Do my existing games go away? Do I need to change my payment details or anything like that? Am I ever going to have time to explore over 1,000 worlds in Starfield? Well, the answers are no, 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 and hopefully yes. If you're a Gold member, you don't need to change anything. Nothing with your subscription will change, and no action is needed on your part. Any games you've received in the past from games with Gold, you'll still have access to as long as you're a Game Pass Core or Ultimate subscriber. Instead of Gold being your ticket to crossplay and multiplayer, it's now Game Pass Core. Same functionality, just a new name. Deals with Gold will become Deals with Game Pass, and free play days will still be available to Game Pass Core members.